If your VPN is not working on iPhone, don't worry. This quick guide will show you how to fix VPN connection problems step by step. First, open Settings on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on General. After that, select iPhone Storage. Now, scroll through the apps list and find your VPN app, like VPN Super or whichever VPN you're using. Tap on it, then select Offload App and confirm. This removes the app temporarily, but keeps your data safe. Next, tap on Reinstall App to install it again. After that, go back to Settings, tap General, then scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, then choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode to confirm. This step resets Wi Fi, mobile data, and VPN configurations, which often fixes connection issues. Finally, open your VPN app again and try reconnecting. So, yeah, that's how you can fix VPN not working on iPhone and restore your connection.